Did you know that there is a cryptocurrency that is a pure proof of stake and a blockchain that is based on honesty? In a world full of scam and dishonesty, there is one crypto that is the knight on a white horse, and that is the Algo. Hello investors, it's Petko Aleksandrov, and in today's video I will buy Algo.
Are you gonna talk about Algo trading again?
No.
Oh. Okay, start again.
Hello investors, it's Petko Aleksandrov, and in today's video I will buy Algo from an exchange. I will put it into my Ledger wallet and I will show you how easy it is to stake a pure proof of stake token. Actually, by the time I'm recording this video in 2021, Algo is the easiest crypto for staking because all you need to do is to have it and you will be getting rewards. Algo is the crypto of the blockchain called Algorand. The mission of this blockchain is to create an economy which is accessible for everyone with a digital currency that works fast and instantly, like the fiat currencies, but with the difference that it is digital. Algo or Algorand comes as a solution to three main problems of the blockchains today: decentralization, scalability, and the security. The security in Algo consensus algorithm is based on the honesty of the majority. The protocol is secured if 2/3 of the majority are honest. And let's get to the point how Algo staking works. You just need to have Algo in your wallet and you will be receiving rewards. I had the very same look when I first figured it out. There is no any action you have to take so you can stake Algo. No need to delegate it to someone like the Tezos, for example. If you have missed the video about staking Tezos on Ledger, have a look at it. With Algo, you do not need to lock it for a certain period. Nothing. You just need to have Algo and you are already staking it. Even you have one Algo token, which at the moment sits at around 125, you will be able to claim rewards. And in this video, I will show you how that works with the Ledger Nano X. And the first thing I will need to do is actually to buy some Algo. So I will open my crypto.com app and I will go to track. So here are all the assets that crypto.com offers. I will scroll down and I will go to Algo, and you can see that at the moment it sits at the price of 127, and actually it did a nice break just a few hours ago, and actually this is one of the reasons I decided to record the video right now. So it broke an aggressive counter trend line, which is my strategy for investing on the cryptocurrency market, and at the same time the Bitcoin broke an aggressive counter trend line, which is the signal for me when I want to buy cryptocurrencies. And Algo reached 170 in February 2021, which makes me feel comfortable buying it at 127, 128. So let me buy so I will not miss the price, and I will be buying 350 of Algo, which will cost me at about $447 at the current moment. I will tap on buy and I will buy with my card right now, as I want to do it instantly while I'm recording the video. This is why I will pay $2.99 fee. Usually I use wire transfer because we pay less fees. Okay, so here is the confirmation. I will tap on it and I will enter my passcode with a fingerprint, and it will take just a few seconds to complete the transactions. And I will go to my messages. So here is the purchase. I will copy the code. I will go back to crypto.com, fingerprint again, and I will paste the verification code. I will tap on continue. Takes a little while for the purchase to be confirmed and completed. And here we go. You purchased 350 algo. Tap anywhere to continue. So I tap anywhere to continue. And here we go. If I go back to my accounts, I have the confirmation by message as well that I have bought the algo. If I go to accounts and let me see what I have in my crypto wallet, I have crypto.com, I have Cardano, I have the Algorand, and here it is. If I tap on it, I can see details on the transaction below. I have bought it. At what price? 127.68 was the final price at which I bought. What is the fee and my total cost? And before I send it to my ledger, which I have right here in my pocket, I want to show you how much you can earn in the earn section in crypto.com, just for a comparison. So if I go to the lion and I tap on earn, and right over here, I will see the assets that I'm already staking, okay? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Crypto.com. You can see that I have total earnings of $16 since I recorded the last videos. And then if I tap on the plus and I go to Algo, you will see that on the 1 and 3 month term, I will have just 1 or 2% annually. Okay, which is pretty low. That's why I prefer to stake it on my ledger. So the first thing I will need to do right now is to install the Algo app on my ledger. Okay, I will need to open the Ledger Live app on my phone. Here it is, and fingerprint. And you can see that my last transaction is the one where I showed how to stake Tezos on the ledger, right? And now I will go to accounts and I will click on the plus button in the upper right corner and I will tap on add account and then I will select Algo. Let's see if we will have it in the list, or I will just use the search option. Algorand, here it is, Nano X. And I need quickly to enter my PIN code. Here it is. And it's ready. And it says allow Ledger Manager on your device. I will allow it. It's loading. And here we go. I'm in the app catalog, so I will look for Algo again. Here it is, and I will tap on install, which will start the installation, and it is installing. So for the people who have never used Ledger, this is a crypto wallet that is known to be one of the most secure since it is offline. Okay, it's a hardware wallet. It's not connected to the internet. When I'm transferring cryptocurrencies, sending or receiving, all I need to do is to connect the ledger with the Ledger Live app on my phone so I can do the transaction. And always make sure to buy it from the official website, so I'll put an affiliate link below in the description so you'll be sure that you're buying it from the right place. Okay, and it is installed already. I'll go back to the accounts and you see that I still don't have the Algo. I will tap on the plus button and I will tap on add accounts. And here I will search now for Algo. So first I have installed it, Algorand. I will need to open the app of the Algorand one more time. And it says application is ready. Here I have the Algorand now in my accounts. I will click on continue and it says accounts added successfully. Alright, so all the cryptocurrencies stored in the Ledger Live app, they're in different accounts, and each of the cryptocurrencies is called to be an app. And first you need to install it and then you need to add the account. And now I will go to accounts. And if I scroll down, you will see on the bottom it says Algorand 1. And I will tap on receive. I will connect it again with the wallet. So every time it connects with the wallet, I will tap on continue. So now I see the address on my Ledger Live app and on my wallet. And I just need to compare it. Usually it's enough to compare the first couple letters or symbols and the last couple of letters and symbols. And once I confirm that this is the address, I will just copy it and I will go back to the crypto.com. Okay, I will need the fingerprint. Here it is. And then I will go to Algorand. And you see that already the price is above 128. Hopefully it will rise. Actually, tomorrow they are launching Algo on Coinbase Pro. So I guess this will help the price to gain some value. But what I will do right now, I will transfer it. Okay. And I will tap on withdraw because I will be sending it to external wallet. I will tap on that, add wallet address, and right here I will just paste the address from the Ledger wallet, okay? And it says wallet name, I can just call it Ledger X, for example. And pretty much that's it. I will tap on continue. And it says check your email to confirm your new wallet address. And I need now to open my email. And here it is on the phone. I have the confirmation from the crypto.com. I have the confirmation from my bank. And I have the withdrawal registration confirmation. And I need to confirm one more time the withdrawal address. So I tap on confirm. And it brings me back to the crypto.com, and you can see that the Ledger X address is already into the list, okay? If I tap on Algo, and I have the option here to withdraw the amount, or I can select max 350 Algo, and I will just tap on withdraw, and here it is, okay? The fee is 1 Algo, and totally I'll be transferring 350, so I'll be sending 349 Algo, and I will tap on confirm, and it needs my fingerprint, and it will take just a second. Tap anywhere to continue. So now the Algo will be gone out of my balance in crypto.com. Let's go back now to the Ledger Live app and see if we will have the Algo there immediately. Usually it should be almost immediately in there. So I will touch with my finger and here it is. It's already into my Ledger. So I have received 349 Algo. So now if I go to accounts and I scroll to the bottom, I will see the Algorand. I will tap on that. And if I scroll below, you will see that I don't have any rewards and I cannot claim rewards, but it will take very short time. Probably by the end of this video, the rewards will be there and I will just refresh the page a few times. So that's it, guys, okay? I don't need to do anything. I don't need to delegate it as I did with Tezos. So I don't need to send delegation rights to Eddie Baker or something like that. This is for the Tezos. For the Algo, all you need to do is to have Algo in your wallet, okay? And from there, you do nothing. So let me refresh the page and here we go. Actually, I already have reward of 0.00349 of Algo and I can claim it, but it's already added to my account. So if I tap on claim, it says congratulations, you earned 0.00349 Algo. Continue to claim your rewards. But below it says the rewards are smaller than the estimated fees to claim them, okay? Whenever I have some more rewards, I can claim them and they will be added to my account. But now, actually, they are added to my account. I just need to claim them. But because there is some fee, I just need to wait. And keep in mind that approximately every 20 minutes, you will receive rewards. So staking Algo is that simple, all right? You just need to have it in your wallet. And you saw that I didn't do anything and it started adding rewards to my account. Obviously, the more funds you have, the more rewards you will get. At the current moment, by the time I'm recording this video, the rewards are approximately about 6% annually, which is much better compared to the 2% that I showed to you in the crypto.com earn section. Alright, so it is up to you where you want to stake it, where you feel comfortable keeping your assets, your algo in this case. But the best thing and the thing I like the most with the algo, and that's why I wanted to have it in my portfolio, is the fact that it is a pure proof of stake. You don't need to delegate it, you don't need to lock it for months. It's just that simple to do it. Alright guys, so in my staking cryptocurrency course, I showed that I use the crypto.com earn option to stake Bitcoin and Ethereum. But this is because on Ledger or Exodus or the other wallets I use, I don't have the option to stake Bitcoin and Ethereum, alright? Because these are proof of work, while Algo is proof of stake. So all I need to do is actually to have it in my wallet. And the other thing I like about it is that it's accessible. So I don't need to lock it for 3 months or 6 months to get rewards. I can exchange it, sell it at any moment I access my tokens, but at the same time, every 20 minutes approximately, I'm getting rewards. So that's one of the things I like about Algo. I like the idea, and I personally believe that one crypto being so easy to stake will make it popular, and it will gain in value with time, because definitely the tokens that are proof of stake have a great future according to me. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about staking Algo in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. You take care, and I will see you in another video. Cheers!